So, let's start the week. Yeah, let's get at it. Okay, come on. I can do this. Okay, first thing for today, fix this little problem, okay? And then get at it with the green one. So there you go. You can see the brush there, okay? And it looks good and clean, so that's not a problem. I took this one out as you saw in the video. So I'm gonna change it. I measure it, I compare it with the one that I have. And to be honest, it looks almost the same as mine, only I see a slightly wear down, you know, like a slightly yeah, no damage, but yeah, besides that, I don't know, I don't see anything else. So I'm gonna order a new one, compare it with this one, and to see if it's different. I checked this one I did it already, but I double check it, and yeah, I really don't know. Now I'm gonna do a leak test on this one and the other one and see if something pops up. And when I know those two are okay, then I'm just going to order this one and that's it. Maybe it's not needed, maybe I found out that this one or the other one is leaking, and then I know that that's the problem, but let's see. Okay, it's not easy. I tried to put it on camera, but it's almost impossible. In the other one, it was a little bit easier, just because I got it just right in the top end, top dead centers, and then I can hold it there. But this one, I tried to really kick, but it just woof, it pulls me up. But it retains the compression. Yeah, it's both of them. They go to the green spot, so that's nice. That's good. That's not a problem. Difficult to show it, but how can I say? It is both are good. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna move the bike. Let's see if I can get it just right in the spot, and try to show it again. And otherwise, that's it. So, showing that again, if I had like another person, I could use the other person to hold the bike and the pressure down, you know, and then, but doing it one person, it's quite difficult, to be honest. So, but yeah, they both hold the pressure, okay. If I had more weight in me, I could show that the bike holds even higher the pressure, because I saw it in the other cylinder too. But again, it's really difficult. So I put out the ring. I think I showed it too. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do with her. I'm gonna change that ring, because it's really, when it starts, like whoop, you know, it's really subtle, like really slowly. It should be more like pop, I think. But yeah, let's order it and then see what's going on. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so finally, problem solved. Okay, so this one is turning. Okay, voila. What I expected? This bearing, this one was like a hair out, just almost nothing. So I heated up with this one and another one, a little one, both of them, heated up. I stayed there for 5 minutes, and then I turned it around, and I push it, and it was like this little click, and that's all. So yes, let's open it up again, okay? Because I closed it, I tied it up, this one and this one really good. Last week when I did this one and this one was already locked, so that's perfect. Let's start to build up this lady. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? So there we go, another day. Let's take those out, put the new ones, okay, and then put this lady back on the frame and keep on building. I need to do the gearbox, the clutch, put the exhaust, the gas tank, readjust the valve clearance. So a lot to do still, so let's keep on going. Let's go. Next thing, this lady. Okay, now I'm gonna get on with the chain. Yesterday I was checking if everything was straight, so yeah. Now I can tie it up again and put everything back together, because to check the chain I needed to take this one off so I can see if it's a straight line or it's like this or it's like this. So yeah, let's put everything back together and try to start it. So almost there, so close. Right now, pump extra oil into the system. Okay, I pump already some when I put the engine back on it, but now I wanna really kick for a few minutes. Then this one now is connected, so later on I can see the pressure. I need to do the timing, put the gas tank, da. But first a little break, and then hopefully start it, and hopefully everything is good, and I can say goodbye to this lady. So let's see. so the pressure is quite high, and I still don't see any oil coming back. And I should get some oil coming back. So let's get it sync now, because now I did pump a lot, so it's gonna settle down, and then I'm gonna try to start again. Let's give it 5 minutes and see if that's all. Okay, so waiting for 5 minutes. Hopefully now it's something on the bottom. Let's see. No, okay. No. Oh, it's definitely pulling all in. I see now went through the breather. Okay. So it's coming in, I can see, but it's not really strong. So let's check the filter there. Why I cannot have it easy? Huh? Why? Always the same. This is so funny, but actually it's not funny, like sarcasm. I cannot take the bolt out, like it's not moving. I tried with this one, I tried with the other one, so crazy. I didn't tie that up that much, so maybe it got by being the engine warm or so, maybe it got stuck there, I don't know. But I used this one, slash hammer, I think, right? No, move it. So now I need to use the big one to see if I can make it moving. I just move it to make it loose. So with this one, I got it open, so that's nice. And now let's see, because I'm sure it's going to drop a lot of oil. Yeah. Hopefully I don't do a big mess. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Slowly. Yep. I hear like a bloop. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Come on. Enough oil here for. Okay. Yes, I use in my hand as a guide. That's not the idea, but it works. Yeah, you can see small things, but it's from here, so but it's nothing. So yeah, this one is clean, and yeah, that's all what I got out of her. That shouldn't be like this, but yeah. So let's blow up some air and see what's going on. So I double check it, and guess what? It's still not coming out. I can see this air is coming, but the oil is not coming. So I'm going to open it and see what's going on with the oil pump. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, let's see. I don't know. So nothing. I mean, in this one nothing, this one nothing, here is nothing. I'm gonna now take again this one and blow again through it. Yes, I have another oil pump, because otherwise the oil from the oil tank is coming out. So yeah, that's why this one is there now. Okay, people, finally, that's it. Pressure right now, okay, so that's good. So you see, okay, it's connected. It's actually quite high, but yeah, let's see Monday. But with this, I'm already happy.